freezing cold and snowy here, which means seasonal depression is kicking in. On top of that, I miss my kids and my house is a wreck, so we really need to get cleaning. So let's be cleaning buddies in today's video. Oh, and I cut my hair. It was time for something new, a little fresh start, and that's exactly what this house needs. So let's get cleaning.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm.
I just want to start out by saying thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. It just means the world to me, especially on days when I'm feeling a little sad and lonely. Getting to clean with you and our community here truly helps so much. So if you have any video requests for this holiday season, please let me know down in the comments. Today I'm using my Cap and Clean multi-surface cleaner in the Holiday House scent. There are still a few of these left if you go to capandclean.com, along with a bunch of other amazing scents for the holidays and scents for year-round cleaning so that your home smells amazing. So be sure to get your orders in as soon as possible so that you can clean with me all Christmas time. But I seriously cannot believe we are almost to December. This year has just flown by, hasn't it? And I'm getting started by cleaning up all of the bedrooms today. Everyone's bedroom needed a quick tidy, and I love spraying the Cap and Clean room freshener on the beds and the linens after I make them. And I'm using the coordinating Holiday House scent, so it just smells so clean and cozy and vanilla-y in here. You have got to try this scent.
The first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment.
And it was so cold on this day because it had been snowing all night and all morning. So I put on my fluffy fur boots, got on some cozy clothes, and it was just kind of fun. You know, it felt like a little bit of a snow bunny, which was actually my AIM screen name back in the day. It was Snow Bunny Bree 33. But if you had an AIM screen name, let me know what yours was down in the comments below.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for
And speaking of back in the day, did you notice the Super NES? I used to love playing this. Landon has been asking for a bunch of video games for Christmas, but until Santa gets here, I pulled out the old Super NES and he has been loving playing the old school Super Mario Brothers with me. I've been showing him how to play it. So if you had a Super NES, what were your favorite games to play? Or when you were younger, what was like your video game system and the games that you like to play the most?
Christmas is on its merry way, and for every single child there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings up.
And now I just wanted to do a good vacuum of all the bedrooms. They really smell so nice and clean. Like when I walk back in, it just smelled amazing in every single room. And to be honest, this just helps me feel so much better. When it gets really cold and dark out so early, I honestly just feel like staying in bed all day. And when my kids aren't home and they're at their dad's, it feels like I don't really have a reason to get up, so it can be really hard to find that motivation. But once I get up and get moving and get things done, I always feel so much better. And when it smells so fresh and clean in here too, it just instantly elevates my mood and makes me feel happier. So thank you so much for being my cleaning buddies and giving me a reason to get up and get things done. Look at how big this sweet girl's gotten. She was like so little. I mean, like I could hold her in my hand when we first got her. Huh, Kailua. And she just has like the sweetest little personality and the sweetest little face. As Prezi likes to say, meowy Christmas, right? Meowy Christmas. Aw, beautiful girl. Got so much. Now let's give this bathroom a good clean. I'm spraying down the sinks and the tub and the shower so that they can kind of soak in that cleaner while I clean up everything else. I'm going to clean the mirrors, wipe down the counters, wipe down the cabinets, and then give the tub and shower a good cleaning.
I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
And just a friendly reminder, I know the holidays might seem so magical and happy when you look at everyone else's social media. But I know that you can also be feeling sadness and grief and overwhelm and stress, and you might feel all of those things and still feel a little bit of happiness too. Like they can all exist at the same time. I think especially for me as a mom, we feel like Christmas memories should be these really, really happy ones for our babies and the people that we care about. So I think we hide some of the more negative feelings. And you guys know I've really kind of not talked about a lot of things in my personal life as much on here, but at least like as not much as I used to. But I think you all have realized there was a lot going on behind the scenes. There still is a lot going on behind the scenes, and it just makes this time of year hard. I really try to keep it positive in what I share, and I just want you to know, like, if you are feeling sad or you're missing loved ones, or if you are just burnt out or feeling like you're having a really hard time getting everything done, I understand that completely, and I feel that way too. I just don't pick up the camera and share those moments with you. And I really just try to keep going, and cleaning up and feeling like something is in order really helps keep that anxiety and overwhelm at bay. So I just don't want you to feel alone. I don't ever want you to feel bad when you're watching the content I create. That's not why I do this. It's truly because I want you to know you have a friend here and that you are not alone, and that we can be as encouraging and motivating as we can to get through those hard times that we all go through. So just know I'm sending you so much love.
It's supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la, 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 oh, 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 la, 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 making our Christmas memories. Yeah, see how the good times with you.
Downstairs, I wanted to do a quick tidy of the family room, and down here, I'm using the Mary Berry multi-surface cleaner to wipe down the coffee table. And then I use the coordinating Mary Berry room freshener to spray on the couch and the pillows and throw blankets, and it just smells so clean and fresh and Christmassy in here. Cap and Queen products truly make wonderful hostess gifts, or they're just great ways to gift yourself and enjoy cleaning with amazing scents. So visit capandqueen.com. I'll also have it linked in the description box for you too. We have a limited supply, so please be sure to order before they're gone.
I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas Christmas memories. Christmas lights are all around.
All right, time to tidy up the kitchen. I'm going to use the Mary Berry multi-surface cleaner in here so it keeps that Christmassy scent going throughout the entire downstairs, and it just smells so good.
Holidays and cheer, but now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe.
And of course, there are some dishes that need to be put away, and the sink always needs a good scrub, and I'm going to do that once all the dishes are done.
Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish, and as we decorate the tree, only you and me. I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play.
Thank you so much for cleaning with me in today's video and for subscribing to my channel. If you have any holiday video requests, please let me know down in the comments before you go. And don't forget, we have a limited holiday supply, so be sure to get your orders in at capandqueen.com. Merry Christmas, loves.